Ladies and gentlemen, it's round one. Maxi has the upper hand. Rexy's underneath. That's Maxi. That's Rexy now. They look tired, but they keep going. They're staying strong. Rexy takes off, he runs. Maxi is not far behind him. They come back the other way. What a switch from these two dogs. That was brilliant. And Rexy's off again. And he's trying to get away from Maxi. Maxi's winning this fight, ladies and gentlemen. And Maxi's getting irritated. He cannot catch this Rexy right now. And they keep going, and it's in front of me, and it's very close fight in his front row seats, ladies and gentlemen. Maxi is winning. Maxi is he's on top. He's going. No, he's tired. No, it's Rexy now. Rexy in the head now. Who's gonna win this fight, guys? No, they can't be. Round one is almost finished, and they come around. I don't know what they're doing right now. They just keep running. Then Maxi's ahead, then Rexy's head.
He got juked.
They are not tired, ladies and gentlemen. That's the end of the fight.
Wait.
They are done.
That's end of round one.
No, they're done, guys. This is it.
End of round
And
one.
that's some Harspoep vibes. 008. Like and subscribe.